So I've been here at my friend's, taking a little break today, but I wanted to share this on my YouTube channel because he does vacation rentals and he's got some lovely cottages that he rents and he has access to the sea. So if you were here staying, you would have this access, and here's some steps that lead down to the sea. What a wonderful, beautiful landscape, and what a view. So this is the seawall. There's a little bit of sand here, but you can follow this wall around. If you're here with your family, there's a couple access points. So this is where I went over to float around today, and I tied my float to those steps there, and then I just let the string take me out. And that leads up to the cottages where we're gonna go in a moment. And then there's a nice little hangout place if you wanted to barbecue or have your dinner down here. It's absolutely beautiful. So this leads up to the cottages. And I don't have shoes on, so it's going to be slow going. There's some, I don't know what they call them, the boards, you know, that you can take out to the sea. This is the gate. So I'm going to be shutting that. I've been down in the sea for a couple hours floating around. Everything is so natural here. It's one of the things I love about coming here. There's a bench over there you can sit. So that's one of the cottages right there, which is closest to this access. And that has 2 single beds and I think a queen bed in it. There's a hammock. Coming up the steps here. The landscaping is beautiful. Everything is natural. There's a swimming pool. Back in there. This is the front of the property. That's how you enter into this cottage. His patio area that overlooks the sea, and I fell asleep in that hammock before. I'm doing a video for the vacation rentals.
Really?
Yes. So you come through here. This is his home. So here's the other side of that gate. It has a German flair because, well, he's German. This is one of the cottages. This is the Calypso. And they have working kitchens and fully furnished. This is a very relaxed scenario. There's no air conditioning here, but the breezes from the sea are fabulous. So this is the view from this cottage. And this is the other cottage over here. And I'm barefoot, so walking is a little bit tricky right now. This one's called Sunspots. This cottage actually also is set up for cooking and has a wash machine, and They're all lovely. It's all very natural, as I said. Air conditioning really isn't an issue, though. In the dead of the summer, it's still very lovely here because you're right on the sea and you have that sea breeze. So, and he has a long private driveway that goes down to the main. You're only a 10-minute drive from Ocho Rios. Your west of you or east of you is you're going up the hill, Port Maria. You keep going around the coast, Portland. It's just a wonderful opportunity. So if you're interested, you can feel free to email me at americanwoman67@gmail.com, which of course is associated with my YouTube channel. And I hope you get an opportunity to visit.